The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its stunning landscapes and cultural significance. Amalfi, the main town, was a maritime power in the Middle Ages and has a magnificent cathedral dedicated to St. Andrew. Positano, another charming town, is famous for its colorful buildings perched on steep cliffs. The Amalfi Coast is home to the Path of the Gods, a scenic hiking trail with breathtaking views of the coastline. Lemons from the region are celebrated, and limoncello, a lemon-flavored liqueur, is a popular local drink. Serpentine roads. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its serpentine roads, winding dramatically along the cliffs, providing both a thrilling and scenic driving experience. James Bond connection. The iconic scene in the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me, where Roger Moore drives a Lotus Esprit off a pier, was filmed near Positano on the Amalfi Coast. Hairpin bends. The coastal roads boast numerous hairpin bends, offering drivers spectacular views at every turn. Vintage cars. Some local businesses offer vintage car rentals, allowing you to explore the Amalfi Coast in classic style. Ferrari's favorite road. Enzo. Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari, considered the Amalfi Coast Road as one of the most exhilarating drives in the world. Classic Fiat 500 tours experience the Amalfi Coast. In a classic Fiat 500 with guided tours that provide a unique and nostalgic driving adventure. Amalfi Drive. Construction. The construction of the Amalfi Drive, or SS 163, began in the 19th century, connecting the picturesque coastal towns. Historical tunnels. The route includes tunnels carved into the cliffs, enhancing the adventure of the drive. The Amalfi Coast has been a part of the World Rally Championship, attracting rally enthusiasts to its challenging roads. Local hand gestures. Watch out for local hand gestures used by drivers. They often communicate intentions or acknowledge courtesy on the narrow roads. Traditional lemon groves. The scent of lemon groves along the coast is invigorating, and you can even visit local farms to learn about the cultivation of Amalfi lemons. Vintage ape cars. Ape cars, small three-wheeled vehicles, are a common sight on the Amalfi Coast roads and can add a quirky charm to your journey. As you drive, the Tyrrhenian Sea unfolds in a majestic panorama, offering unforgettable views. Positano's parking solution. Due to limited parking in Positano, a local service allows you to leave your car in designated lots, and they transport you to the town center. Vintage Vespa rides. In addition to cars, you can explore the coast on a vintage Vespa for a more intimate and open-air driving experience. Classic film backdrops. The stunning landscapes of the Amalfi Coast have served as backdrops for classic films like It Started in Naples and Only You. Colorful cliffside villas. The vibrant colors of the cliffside villas in towns like Positano add a lively and picturesque touch to the driving experience. The Amalfi Coast's mild climate makes it a year-round destination, attracting visitors during all seasons. The region is dotted with beautiful gardens, such as Villa Ruffolo in Ravello, offering lush greenery and panoramic vistas.